Are you still looking for the ultimate strategy, chasing perfection, or thinking forex trading will make you rich overnight? I've been there. Let's dive into the major truths about this market. Wagwan guys, it's Dazizi no Fugazi and you're welcome to this saga. If you don't know the grind, we try to learn, earn, and evolve. Let us go and get it. Number 1. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I know you've probably seen a lot of forex traders flexing their cars, their money, and they tell you they got it so easily. That's not how it works. Forex is just like any skill. It takes a lot of dedication, passion. It involves a lot to learn. So you have to put in the work if you want to get the results that those other people are getting. But 2, more trades and more screen time don't mean more profit. It is actually the other way around. You have to choose quality over quantity. Take this for an example. Sometimes you have to sit on the sidelines when playing football. You have to be on the bench sometimes. There's this saying that when you're on the bench, you tend to see what other players are not seeing. Whenever somebody is watching football from the sidelines, he screams out and he's like, you should have done this, you should have done this. But when the person gets into the field, he plays rubbish.
Oh, this chipped effort is going to be really close. Oh, what a goal! Manchester United are behind.
Viewers, I apologize. I'm continue.
This is similar to trading. You have to be able to sit out. You have to say that today the markets are not in my favor. I will observe and watch to know what is going to happen. And that is how you learn. Take this from me guys. Don't be like me that had to learn this the hard way. I was over trading. I spent too much time on the chart. Definitely as a beginner, you need to spend time on the chart to learn. But once you've done your part by learning, you should try everything possible to minimize the time you spend on the chart. Because where there won't be opportunities, you tend to see more opportunities, and that's just how it is. You start blowing accounts, just like me who blew several accounts and failed several challenges.
Sorry, don't cry.
There is no ultimate strategy or holy grail in trading. We have to understand that in all strategies that we can come up with or learn, there will always be a random distribution between the wins and the losses. We should know that it takes just one trader to negate the positivity of your edge. It can be that you make your analysis right now and your analysis tells you that the market is going up, so you should buy along with the market, and you decide to buy. And one hedge fund manager in the US is thinking it is the best opportunity for him to sell, and he sells on you. The little amount you have will not be enough to win against that hedge fund manager. What this means is that we should try to stick to a simple strategy. Once you started learning one strategy, try to stick to it. Don't confuse yourself by learning other things, because in this business, what I've learned so far is that the more you know, the less you are able to do. Because you confuse yourself, you get something we call analysis paralysis. You know too much that when an opportunity comes, you're numb and you cannot take the opportunity. You don't have to be aggressive when you see an opportunity. The patient trader gets the most rewards. The patient dog eats the fattest bone. You don't need to have millions before you go into trading. You just need to put the work in and be passionate about it. Why is it that you can spend 4 years studying a degree in a university, but you think that you can just come into this space and make it within a month? For you to make it within a month or 5 months, you have to put in the work. Good strategies never lose.
They play!
Where are my Madrid fans? Just recently, they lost to the best of the best.
Show your hands, show your chest, show your waist, show your legs, show your doings, show them what.
You will be wondering why they even decided to close the rooftop of their stadium, but they still lost. So if you think that a good strategy will never lose, you're on a long thing. Because even the best traders, it gets to a point where they lose. That's just how it is. Losses are simply the cost of doing business.
I'm standing on business. I handle my business.
You don't need to win all the time in order to be profitable. Out of 10 trades, you can win just 4 and lose 6 and still end up profitable? Ask me how. How? Okay. That is where your risk to reward comes in. You have to be able to plan your risk management in the way that when you win, it covers for your losses and still gives you profit on top. Don't think you can simply just copy someone's strategy and it will work for you. Someone can be making millions with this strategy, but as soon as you start using it, it is the other way around. You need to first of all understand yourself, understand the person you are for you to decide what strategy you will be using. You cannot be this person that is impatient and then you're deciding to be holding trades for up to a week. I know I've been blinking too much, sorry, sleep in my eye. You know we have to keep showing up and that is why we are doing this right now. I've said a lot of things some of you might not understand. If you are a beginner trader, trust me, you're in the right place. Just do well to subscribe and stay tuned. We all have our various beliefs about trading. I for once used to think trading was just like gambling, sporty bets for instance.
Party bet don't show me shaky.
Until I settled down to learn and put in the work to know what I know now about it. So if you have a belief about Forex and you want to get more clarity on it, do well to drop what you think in the comment section and I'll reply you.